I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic oil. Making your own organic oil at home is a rewarding process, giving you full control over the ingredients and quality. We'll walk through the essential steps, from selecting the best organic materials to the final extraction. Get ready to create pure, natural oils for various uses, ensuring you know exactly what goes into your products. It's easier than you might think. First, selecting your ingredients is crucial for a high-quality organic oil. Opt for certified organic seeds like sesame or flax, or fresh herbs such as lavender. Ensure all materials are meticulously cleaned and completely dry to prevent spoilage. Then, prepare them by grinding seeds into a coarse powder or finely chopping herbs. This increases the surface area, making oil extraction more efficient. There are several easy ways to extract organic oil right in your kitchen. Cold pressing is ideal for seeds, preserving delicate nutrients and flavors without heat. For herbs, maceration is a popular method. Simply infuse them in a high-quality carrier oil for several weeks. Alternatively, a gentle heat method using a double boiler can help release oils from some plant materials more quickly. Each method offers unique advantages. Once your organic oil is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness and potency. Always transfer your homemade oil into dark, airtight glass bottles to protect it from light and air. Store these bottles in a cool, dark place like a pantry or cupboard to significantly extend their shelf life. Enjoy the pure benefits of your natural creation. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.